Yes, yes, yes. We are live. We are live. We are here. 2019, guys. We are in the mother bleeping house. Shout out to all my subscribers. A new year. That means it's going to be new trolls, new people talking about this is the bottom. Time to buy the dips. Time to buy the dips. It's going to be another crazy year, guys, of people just saying this is it. This got to be it. It has to be it. I wish, I hope it's it. Okay? Shout out to all you guys here. If you don't know who I am, my name is Big Ben. And I'm happy to be here. I am a professional day trader, professional swing trader, day trader, financial markets. Okay, Monday through Friday. All right, I day trade the futures market. Okay, right now I'm actually day trading S&P 500, and also swing trade crypto. So if you want to learn more about that, hit that subscribe button, guys. Because over here I only focus on the charts. If you've been with me the whole year last year, you either made money or you saved money. Okay, I didn't let any of my subscribers lose money. I didn't tell them to buy the dips. I didn't tell them to be patient. I didn't tell them to hold on for dear life. I didn't tell them anything like that. I told them, hey man, listen. If you want to play with the big boys, if you want to learn how these guys operate, subscribe to my channel and I will show you. A lot of people laughed at me last year. They told me I didn't know what I was talking about. Those guys are down 90 or 85% right now. So this is going to be another fun year, guys. Another fun year. New trolls, new people. So we're going to have fun, guys. All right. Hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel, don't know nothing about how to make money from the charts. Today we're going to talk about if Bitcoin is going to go up or down this year. Okay. During this live stream, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only. So let's see if I see anybody in the chat room. Okay, let's pop this thing out real quick. And let's see if I see anybody right now. I haven't gone live lately, so I don't know how many people is going to show up. But happy New Year to everybody. I hope YouTube is sending out these notifications. You know, because you know how YouTube, these guys are crazy. So I hope these guys are sending out the notifications, letting these people know that I'm live. Okay. Shout out to everybody that's here. Let me give you guys a round of applause, guys. All right. All right, so let's get to it. Let's go to the charts. Let's go to CoinMarketCap. And of course, during the live stream, you can ask me any questions. All right, type in your questions if you have any questions. Right now, Bitcoin dominance is at 51.2. The volume is pretty, low. 4 billion. So nothing really going on. Red down the line, but nothing too crazy. 2%, nothing too crazy. All right. So far this year, it's just been weak. Okay. Let's go to the charts. Actually, let's go to my other chart, my Coinbase chart. I have all my markings on it. Okay. So, all right. So let's go to the 4 hour so get a better look. Okay. So what we having going on right now is basically, let me zoom out just a little bit more. All right. So guys, what we have here is the market just doing nothing, okay? And it's going up, but we are making lower highs, which is bearish, all right? So connect this high with this high, with this high. We have lower highs right here. The market is showing resistance at those levels. We actually went up in the channel. We broke this channel, okay? If you notice how we broke this channel. We was actually going up right here, okay? And then the moon boys got happy. So this was like a last run up before the New Year's. So a lot of these moon boys are happy, all right? Now, what's going on right now is a lot of people are talking about inverse head and shoulders, right? And I see maybe some people talking about a falling wedge, which is absolutely crazy, but whatever. So we have this inverse head and shoulders. Like I said before, too obvious. If a rookie understands that, most likely it's going to fail. Okay, it's too obvious, and we probably will see some type of bounce from it. But how long? Okay. So right now we are seeing support right here, guys. So when we broke out of this channel, guess what? We have another channel going down. Okay. The market went above this channel just a little bit. Okay. And it broke out of this channel. So what we have in right now is some type of selling going on right now. So what do I think? What do I think was going to happen right now? From with the Bitcoin chart. All right. So what I think personally is I think they're going to probably try to go up one more time. I think they're going to probably try to go up one more time because they want to fool more people. Okay. Now, right now we are consolidating, and it definitely looks weak. So a couple of things we can do. We could probably go up one more time. Now, if we do go up one more time, how far? That's the next question. Okay, we can probably go up to 44, 45-ish. That could be a situation. Or we can go up to here, which is around 42, 43, to test the high once again, to get people excited and continue to go down. Like I said before, guys, I don't think they want to bring this up too high, because when it falls down, it's going to be too obvious when it falls down, okay? So I think they want to keep this as low as possible. I think they probably want to do another move up, just to shake a couple of people out. It's a possibility that we can just consolidate right here, all right, and just break down. Yeah, that's another possibility. Okay, so those are possibilities I'm looking at right here. We're going to probably consolidate, but I don't think it's going to be too long. This week, I think this week is probably going to be weak. Probably, so far, nothing this week. So we're probably going to get some action next week, guys. We're probably going to get some real action next week. So be ready. Maybe to the upside or the downside, because we are consolidating and we're not doing anything for a while. So I definitely looking for Bitcoin to break out. So guys, if you have any questions, please type it in. Shout out to everybody here. 2019 is here. And I'm ready to get this money. Let's go. So let's see if I see any questions. Let me take a sip of my water. Let me see. Stock market going down. Should I buy the VIX? Stock market is going down. Should I buy the VIX? No. First of all, I can't give anyone financial advice, but just because it's going down doesn't mean that you have to buy the VIX. Okay. If you look at the stock market, yes, it's going down, but the stock market could pop up at any moment. So buying a VIX right now is not a good idea, in my opinion. Happy 2019. Let's get this bread. Yes, let's get this bread. I want to hear this ka-ching button for 2019 all year. And I want to make this bread. You said the basketball game on Ben, Raptors versus Spurs. Oh, for real? Did they boo what's this guy name? Kawhi Leonard? Did they boo Kawhi Leonard, Colin? Because I wanted to see if they want to boo him. What's going on, Dan? What's going on, AZ, Randy, Davina? Who else? Jason, Sean, Margie, Ahmed. Who knew? So you say yes, they booed him? Okay. That's what's up. Yeah, so right now, guys, you know, it is late during the day, so I don't know how many people are going to show up on this live stream. But shout out to all you guys. I appreciate it. Keep the questions going. Let me see here. What's going on, Dan, Jason? Sean, what direction you thinking, man? All right, so for 2019, what do I think, guys? All right, I think that we are going to continue to go down in 2019. All right, probably not the answer that some of you guys want to hear, but that's what the chart is telling me. The chart is not telling me anything else but to the downside. And this is, you know, last year was the first stage. I believe where we are in the second stage, and we might have another third stage. So we'll see. Okay. Why you use CoinMarketCap? You know they are not the honest and accurate. You know, first of all, I'm using it to just showing you guys the dominance. You know, the percentage wise is down. You know, I mean, otherwise, I don't know. You know what what you're talking about as in the accurate wise. You know, I mean, really, we're not looking at it as in we're not looking at the charts. I'm just looking at the percentage wise and the dominance. All my information comes from the chart, so I don't really care about nothing else. Proof of keys word today. Yes. Anthony Morals, how long would it take me to learn to trade the futures market? It all depends on you, Anthony Morals. That question is very hard to answer because everyone is different. Okay, I have students that took my class in 2 weeks. In 2 weeks, you know, these guys are making money. I have other students that took my class and it's taken them, you know, maybe, you know, a couple of months to, to start making money or understand the concepts. So it all depends on the person, how quick you learn. Are you a quick learner? If you're like me personally, I'm a slow learner. So I know anything that I learn new, I know for a fact that I'm okay with taking 6 months to a year to learn that because I know, I'm a slow learner. So it all depends on if you're a slow learner or not. Okay, I always tell people, give yourself 3 to 6 months to really understand the concepts and the method. But like I said before, you have people in a couple of weeks understanding and making money. Okay, I have a lot of students doing that actually. Let me see here. do you have a stock channel? No, this is a channel where I talk about financial education, and I might, maybe this year I might mix this with stocks and futures. Okay, so maybe this year I'll probably talk more about the futures market and the stock market. You know, I might do that this year. We'll see. Right now it's all about crypto. I won't say all about crypto because I have a course about the futures. So sometimes I do talk about the futures market. But I think this year I'm probably going to talk more about the futures and the stock market. Okay. But yes, the stock market right now is crashing. And I'm loving it because as a trader, that means more money for me. Okay. Most people don't understand that traders can actually make a lot of money when the market goes down. I love it, actually. So basically what I'm trying to say is if someone just, gave me a choice and say, hey man, do you want a bull market or do you want a bear market? I will always pick a bear market all the time. Always pick a bear market. Rumors, a global reset. Dollar going to fell. Rumors, XRP is being new reserve currency. XRP, that's funny. Rumors, global reset. I don't think that's rumors. I think it's some truth to that. Okay. Yeah, XRP. Yeah, that's definitely rumors. Okay, dollar will fell. That's probably some truth to that too. So you just gotta wait it out. Would it fell tomorrow? Yeah, I mean, I doubt it. Okay. I don't know how long it's gonna take for the dollar to fall, but I don't think the dollar is gonna fall anytime soon. Let me see here. Jeremy said XRP is useless. First of all, guys, let me actually let me I want to call out. I mean, honestly, I want to make a video specifically for the XRP community, and I wonder why. Because I want to talk about why these guys are not calling out these XRP YouTubers. Okay. I swore that these guys said XRP end of the year is going to be either at the high or at $5 or at $10. And I had a lot of people from the XRP community attack me when I called out the XRP YouTubers, right? I had a lot of these XRP fanboys attack me, talking about you don't know what you're talking about, blah, blah, blah. And, I don't understand why these guys still listen to these guys, these crazy YouTubers, right? XRP, according to these guys, XRP is supposed to be at least the high minimum at $3, okay, right now. And last year when I told the XRP community, don't expect XRP to go anywhere, expect it to continue to go down. They laughed at me. These guys got mad at me and called me all type of names. This is why, guys, you really have to listen to people that just basically doing this full time. People always saying that XRP is the best coin because real time, is they basically using it in the real world. Okay, they're using XRP in the real world. Blah blah blah. They try to give you all type of, I wouldn't say excuses, but reasons why XRP is better than of these other coins. And I always tell these guys, listen, XRP is not better than any coin. Okay, XRP is in the same boat as these other coins because XRP is tied into the crypto market. Okay, that's it, plain and simple. I don't care how many I don't care if XRP, right, partner up with Bank of America tomorrow. If XRP, right, if we wake up tomorrow and we find an article saying that XRP partner with Bank of America, XRP will shoot up just maybe a little bit, probably to 44, and then go right back down. Why? It's because XRP is tied into the crypto market, and if the crypto market is bearish, guess what? XRP is going to be bearish too, and it's going to go down with the crypto market. So some of you guys really have to understand how the market works and everything, because most of you guys are getting caught up with these crazy YouTubers that don't know anything about nothing. So let me go back to these questions. Let me take a sip. Hey, what's going on, MK Kush? You said stay away from hit BTC exchange. Okay, I hear you. Who knew? MK Kush said starting to make money the next day after buying a course. Shout out to you, bro. Let me know. Are you trading the CB only? Yeah, I'm trading, you know, CME, all those markets. Basically, right now I'm trading the S&P 500, and I trade crude oil. Also has access to the Dow. So all these, I have, you know, futures is just basically a whole bunch of markets that you can trade. Alrighty, so let me go back to these questions here. Do you have a certain futures that you trade on a daily, or you can? Oh, okay, yeah. So basically, shout out to you, KG88. KG88. I don't know if you're new to my channel, but if you are, welcome. Thanks a lot for stopping by. And anybody that's new to my channel right now, hit that subscribe button, because over here, guys, I don't play no games. Okay, I'm probably the crazy, no nonsense, tell how it is when it comes to talking about the crypto market. So hit that subscribe button, because I don't care about subscribers. Okay, guys? Because some of you guys are going to subscribe to me today and unsubscribe tomorrow, because, I'm going to talk about the market, and I'm going to say, hey, man, this looks bearish, and it looks like we're going to continue to go down. Okay? So some of you guys are going to actually unsubscribe probably tomorrow, which is okay. Okay? But if you want to learn how to make money like a professional, okay, and learn how to make money now, doesn't matter if Bitcoin goes to 1K or 50K, hit that subscribe button, because I only want winners on my channel. Okay, last year I had a lot of people unsubscribe because I've been saying, hey, man, short the market. The market looks like it's going to continue to go down, and it is what it is. Now this year, I'm going to say the same thing, and people are going to unsubscribe, but I don't care. Okay, I don't make my money from YouTube. I make my money from trading, okay, the financial markets. So if you guys want to hang around a winner and a professional and a person that's doing this full time, then subscribe to my channel. Okay. So let's go to these questions again. You said, do I have a certain futures trade? So yeah, right now I'm trading the S&P 500 because the S&P 500 is volatile. If you notice that the market been crashing, so I'm loving it right now. Okay, right before I was trading the crude oil, but right now crude oil is not as volatile as the S&P because the S&P 500 and the other the stock market pretty much been crashing. So I'm loving that. Okay, I can make a lot of money when the market goes down. So I don't have to scan. That's why I love the futures. Okay, because when I went back to the stock market, when I was day trading in the stock market, that was one of the things I didn't like because I had to scan 30 stocks, 12 stocks, 20 stocks just to find one or two stocks that I wanted to trade. When I go to the futures market, I only day trade one market, and that's it. Okay, so I only day trade S&P 500 right now. Okay, as we speak. If you want to check out that course, you can check it out right here. This is the course for the futures. Okay, if you want to day trade. Okay, this is only for the people that's serious though. This is not a course where you want to play games and you just want to think this is a casino. No. Okay, this course is a course where you can day trade the futures market. Okay, make money daily, weekly. That's it. I don't care about nothing else. Okay, I told you guys I'm the money I'm the money now guy. Okay, I'm interested in making money now. That's it. I don't care about 2 years from now, 4 years from now, 5 years from now. I want to make money now. I want to increase my daily, weekly, and monthly cash flow. Okay, if you don't have this course, you can check it out. Right now it's $750 until this weekend. I'm gonna bring it up to the original price. The original price is $950. I had it $750 for the holidays. So this weekend I'm gonna bring it up to $950. If you want to check that out, okay. If you want to learn how I'm averaging 1 to 5K a day, that's what I'm doing with the futures market. I'm averaging 1 to 5K a day. Okay. If you want to do that, then check that out. Now, if you want to learn how to swing trade the crypto, this is it right here. And I usually give you guys that discount. So let me give you guys that discount, 50% off. Okay. And this is basically show you how to day trade. I mean, not day trade, swing trade the crypto. Okay. So let me give that out for you guys that don't have that yet. So I just gave that to you. If you guys have any questions, let me know. And both of these courses come with a Discord where you can chat with me if you have any questions. Also, my students post charts, so it's very good. Let's go back to these questions here. What's your view on altcoins? Like, I don't have no view on none of these coins right now because we're in the bear market. I know you want to hear long term, but my thing with these coins right now is I don't know if some of these coins are going to survive the bear market. So I really can't give you a good answer. What I would say is wait till the bear market is over, and then I can give you guys some good answers. But right now, every coin looks weak. Anthony said, yeah, stop talking about crypto, bro. It's dead. Stock market is, where's that? Yeah, I talk about the stock market in my, not the stock market, but the futures market, which is, tied into the, the stock market. We talk about that every day in this Discord, okay? In my day trading Discord, every day, all day, okay? We talk about, the stock market, the futures market. On my YouTube channel, I do give you guys updates on Bitcoin chart, and so I still going to continue to give you guys updates with the Bitcoin chart. But what I might do is incorporate the stock market, the futures market, probably put everything in one. Okay, I might do something like that too. So I might, one night I might just talk about the stock market, futures market, and the crypto market all in one. Because what I want you guys to do is I want you guys to expand your thinking, expand your markets, because a lot of people that got this course right here, they actually using the strategies to trade the stock market. To swing trade the stock market and the cryptos. Okay, swing trade the stock market in the forex. Okay, with these strategies right here. Now this right here is day trading. Is totally different. I use different strategies when I day trade. Okay, but yeah, you can actually go to other markets. I definitely want you guys to go to other markets too. Completely agree with you. Some YouTubers, for real, yes, man. YouTubers they say anything. Central banks could kill crypto whenever they are one. Yeah. So basically, I want to talk about that. Okay. I want to talk about that. Okay. I'm trying to figure out, should I talk about that right now? But I want to get to these questions real quick. Okay. I know Who News said stay away from that crack pipe. But who knew? Anthony Morals is actually really, saying some truth. Okay. I actually want to talk about that, but I don't know if I want to talk about it today or another stream. But you guys don't have to fight in the stream, because I see you guys going back and forth. Y'all have to fight. Problem with XRP is they see Ripple and they think, oh, my coin is doing good. I hear you, bro. I'm reading his questions. What's going on, Leonard? How you going? How you doing? After the bear market is almost over. I don't know what you mean by that. You said after the bear market is almost over. So you're trying to say the bear market is almost over 1 a.m.? Let me know why. Hey, what's going on, TJ? What's going on, bro? Jeremy said, I love making money. Selling or buying, doesn't matter to me. Yes. All right. What's going on, Edward? Edward said, Ben, tell the truth. Thanks a lot, bro. Peter said, I love the truth because it hurts. Yes. What's good? $7.50? What do you mean $7.50? Somebody says $7.50. I don't know where you see $7.50, bro. Okay. First of all, you saying that I try, first of all, the type of money that I make per day, there's no way I can sell it for $7 per, You guys know how much I make per day, so. Hey, what's going on, G Slick? Hey, what's going on, Swazzer? Yeah, yes, he's a troll, okay? What platform are you most using to swing trade? I'm using JFX, but there's other platforms you can use, okay? So, guys, let's go back to this question right here, because a lot of you guys really don't understand what's really going on. Since you guys brought this up, you know, Anthony Mo's brought up the central banks. These guys are too powerful, okay? And like I said, I didn't know if I was going to talk about this today or the next stream. But since you guys are talking about it already, you know, we can talk about it right now, okay? You know, most of you guys really don't understand what's going on. Okay, most of you guys really don't understand what's going on. Because you're stuck in your little bubble. You think that when people talk outside the box, you think they're crazy. And most of you guys just, all you guys just do is go to work and come back home. Okay, you guys don't really try to understand how the world works, who control the world, blah blah blah. You guys don't really understand that the Matrix is real, and there are, you know, a small group that controls everything. You know, and you guys really don't understand what's really about to happen. Okay? I believe that we're going to have some type of global reset. Okay? And a lot of people are going to get caught off guard. A lot of people are going to get caught off guard. They're going to wake up and say, oh my gosh, the news is talking about a recession. People getting laid off. You don't want to wait until you hear it on the news, because if you hear it on the news, it's too late. Done deal. Okay? Most people, when in 2008, most people, when they heard about the recession, it was when, you know, all these big banks going out of business. If you talking about recession then it's too late. Okay, it's too late, guys. This one I believe is going to be worse because it's going to take a long time for us to get out of it. Okay, that's why I think it's going to be worse. All right, and not only that, you know, it might take when I mean long time, I'm talking about 25 to 30 years to get out of the situation. And I think crypto is going to be affected, because if you notice, crypto went up the same time we had a bull market in 2009. Okay? Crypto is crashing. The stock market is crashing too. I think crypto will fill the, you know, feel the heat. Okay? And basically, some of you guys are going to get caught off guard. I know some of you guys don't want to hear this, and this is exactly what I talked about, what, like 5 minutes ago. Some of you guys is going to subscribe to my channel, and tomorrow you're going to unsubscribe. You're going to unsubscribe tomorrow, which is okay. I told you guys, I don't care if people unsubscribe from my channel, because I don't make money from this, all right? If I show you how much I make from the YouTube ads, you guys will laugh at me, okay? It's probably like $100 and something a month. So you know, it's gonna be hard to find jobs. You know, your job's a lot of you guys are gonna get replaced by robots. Okay, a lot of you guys are gonna get replaced by robots. It's gonna be hard to find a job. And what I want to do is help you guys realize, bro, you're playing a old game. Okay, I want you guys to be more active and start to build skills, because if you don't, you're gonna get, I'm telling you, man, you're gonna get wiped out. I don't want you guys to get wiped out. So if you could build skills that will help you through this recession. Right now, Bitcoin and the crypto market is in a recession. And a lot of you guys really don't know how to navigate through a recession. All right. I talked about this in my last video. Okay. Some of you guys really have to understand that in order to make money, you have to have a system that allows you to make money in a recession. Most of you guys don't have that. All you guys have is a buy and hold strategy. Okay. A strategy that only works if the market goes up. Okay. That's it. So some of you guys really have to understand, you know, you have to change. You have to change. Some of you guys are too comfortable. You have to get out that comfort zone. Some people are saying, I don't want to do that. Guys, you have to get out of your comfort zone. That's the only way. Most of your buy and hold guys are lazy. That's why you only want to do it. Okay? I was listening to, I think it was Sonny. The YouTuber guy, Sonny. And he was saying that buy and hold is easier. Blah, blah, blah. It's the best thing to do because it's easier. Okay. This comes from a guy, and don't get me wrong, he has good content. Like, he's really good with his content. He's got, you know, decent content. But this comes from a guy that basically been losing all year last year, and his probably portfolio's down probably 80 to 90%. So why would I take advice from someone that's pretty much losing? Okay. So guys like him will say, hey man, it's best to buy and hold. It's easier. You don't have to go through, you know, the nonsense of swing trading. And the reason why he's saying that is because he don't know how to do it. Okay. He probably opened up or went to a website or went to a video on YouTube and tried to figure out how to trade from there and failed. And basically, he probably think that it doesn't work. And that's because he's learning from people that are not full-time traders or, you know, professionals. Okay? And you really have to understand, just because you buy and hold and it feels easier doesn't mean that it's the right thing to do. Okay? Just because something's easier doesn't mean it's the right thing to do, guys. Yes, we all know buy and hold is easier. We all know that we can buy, right? And we can just hold, and then we don't have to do anything. Doesn't mean it's easier, okay? The people that bought at, right, what's the price right now? 37. So let's say you bought Bitcoin at 37 last year. Yes, it was easier to buy it and hold it, but guess what? You have nothing right now. You're back to zero. So what I learned, okay, as a human being, as just a person on the earth, anything that's easy, most likely, is the wrong thing to do. Okay? It's the wrong thing to do. it's much easier to, you know, have or you know, do something with a female, right? It's much easier to, you know, get down with a female without a condom, right? Okay, without using a condom. It's much easier to do that, but at the same time, okay, what is the risk? You have a lot of risk involved, okay? It's much easier to eat that hot dog or that donut and not, you know, work out. It's much easier to sit home and watch TV and not study. Just because things are easier doesn't mean it's right. So be careful who you know, listen to. People will say buy and hold, man. That's all to do. Don't swing trade. You're wasting your time. Those are the people that have been losing or losers. They are losers. Okay, it's just what it is. I'm here to tell you guys, okay? If you do the hard things now, your life will be much easier later on. But if you do the easy things now, your life will be much harder. It's just how it works, guys. I didn't write the law of, you know, the universe. Like, I didn't write this stuff. If you do easy things now, if you have, you know, do things with a girl without a condom, or if you eat all the junk food just because it's easy and don't work out and don't do anything, you're lazy, blah, blah, blah. You think you're going to have a good life later on? No, you're going to have a hard life. If you don't educate yourself, you're going to have a hard life, okay? But if you do the hard things now, learn, practice, put in that work, eat right, be healthy, guys, you're going to have a good life later on, okay? This is how it works. I didn't create life, so I don't you know, attack me. So, guys, you really have to be prepared for what's really going on, because most of you guys don't understand what could really happen at any time. The rules are changing, guys. The rules are changing. Okay, so let me explain to you guys what's really going on, so you guys can understand. All right. Let me understand. Let me explain to you guys what's going on right now. Okay, guys, we are living in the matrix. All right, you have a small group that controls everybody. All right, now you have to ask yourself, how do you control billions of people? Well, you have to keep them uneducated. Okay, you can't have people smart. You can't. That's why they put us through this school system. The school system is designed for us to be dummies. I mean, just what it is, guys. We are dummies. All right. I don't care if you have a 4.0 GPA. Like, that don't matter. What are you talking about? I'm a dummy. I got a 4.0. I got a 4.0. What are you talking about? I ain't no dummy. I graduated from Harvard. Listen, guys, okay? I don't care about your 4.0. I don't care about your 3.9. I don't care about none of that stuff. You're still a dummy, all right? We have to reprogram ourselves, because the information that they gave us, it's not going to help us in the real world, okay? And when I say, you know, you're a dummy, I'm not saying that, you know, in a way where, you know, I'm trying to basically talk down to you guys, because when I say you guys are dummies, okay, I'm talking about me too, okay? Don't think I'm just talking about y'all. I'm talking about me too. I had to reprogram myself. All right, so like I said, they have to keep us uneducated, right? All right. So now, what's going on right now? See, most people don't understand what's going on. What's going on right now, guys, is we are experiencing something that never happened before in history, okay? We can go on, you can open up a laptop and go on the internet, okay, and go on Google and type in anything, okay, and you have a whole bunch of information right in front of your eyes. So right now we're in the information era, and a lot of people are getting smarter, okay. So let me say that again. A lot of people are getting smarter, okay. So how does this, or why, I'm bringing this up? Well, it's because let's go back to what I said before, okay? How do you control billions of people? You have to keep them uneducated. So if you have millions of people waking up, okay, getting smarter, guess what, guys? You have to change the game. The game has to change. It can't be the same, guys. The game can't be the same. Impossible. See, these guys, they know that we are getting smarter. They know that, okay? So for all your guys that look at, let's go to the NASDAQ real quick. Okay, let's go to the NASDAQ real quick. Okay. And let's zoom this out. Actually, it is probably best if I was on Yahoo, okay? But if I zoom this out, okay, and show you guys the history of the stock market, you will see crashes, but also you will see the market continue to go up, okay? So most people, when they look at the stock market, and especially the people, when it comes to the crypto market, what they see is a market that is going up, and it always go up, okay? And what I feel that's going to happen, what I feel what's going to happen, right, with the stock market and the crypto market is things are not just going to go up forever anymore, okay? The rules are going to change because everybody's getting smarter. What do I mean by that? Well, everybody knows that when the market drops, you just buy the dip and that's it. You keep on buying, you average down, blah, 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 and the market will continue to go back up. Guess what, guys? They know that. They know that and they know that you're getting smarter, okay? They know that you are getting smarter, you're buying the dips, it's going to go up again, blah, blah, blah. So they can't have that. They can't have you profit, getting profits from the market that easy, okay? So how can they make you suffer? Well, you have to change the game. You have to change the rules. So what I think is going to happen is we're probably going to continue to crash. Well, right now with the stock market, it's very hard to figure out what's going to happen because right now we are crashing with the stock market, but I think eventually we will see a crazy up move, okay? Maybe probably to test the high or test maybe the shoulder, okay? But I think we will continue to crash, okay? And what I see with these markets is probably a long bear market, and we going sideways for a long time. Something similar to 1929 crash. If you go back to 1929, okay, when we had that depression, it took the stock market to go back to the highs. It took at least 25 years, guys, 25 years just to go right back to the highs. All right. So I think that's going to happen once again, but I think it's probably going to be longer than 25 years. It's probably going to be 30 years or more. Okay, because like I said before, what these guys are realizing is we getting smarter. So they got to change the rules. Right? Most guys, okay, shout out to Anthony Morals, okay? Anthony Morals is awake, okay? He said that the central banks control everything, okay? And they can actually stop this whenever they want. And he's absolutely correct. These bankers, they got this on lock. Bitcoin could disappear tomorrow if they wanted to. If they want Bitcoin to disappear tomorrow, bro, they can do it. All right? This is why I told you guys. All right? If you want to hear the truth, you should subscribe to my channel. But if you don't want to hear the truth, you unsubscribe right now. Go out right now. Okay? Because I only want winners on my channel. That's it. Most of you guys are, caught up with this fairy tale world. Most of these YouTubers don't know anything, okay? And you have a guy like me that been right last year in 2017. And I'm telling you guys that Bitcoin itself, okay, most likely is going to have a crazy bear market, okay? Most of you guys probably think this is the year because you probably read articles or saw your favorite YouTuber say 2019 is the year, okay? But the problem is, okay, guys, most of you guys think things last forever. Most of you guys never been through a recession before. Most of you guys never been, through a bad recession before, okay? Okay? Most of you guys really don't understand how things don't last forever. Okay? Things don't last forever. Things like all these YouTubers, guys, these YouTubers going to get, I'm telling you, and I'm not just talking about crypto YouTubers. I'm talking about regular YouTubers, okay? YouTube is not going to be the same, okay? All these guys that's making a lot of money from YouTube, all these guys are going to get shut down probably a year or two. It's not going to be the same. So, because when that recession hit, YouTube probably is going to cut down. Most of these YouTubers are going to go out of business. They're going to be crying. Okay? Everything doesn't stay the same, guys, forever. It's just how it works, bro. It's just how it works. Look at the chart. It's just how it works, guys. So I know some of you guys don't want to hear what I just told you guys, but it is what it is. I'm not here to sugarcoat anything. Okay? Bitcoin wasn't designed for any type of investment vehicle, okay? Bitcoin was designed to be used back and forth. It was a peer-to-peer system. Okay, most of these guys, or most of your guys, are treating it like it's the stock market, and it's not created. It wasn't created to be, the stock market. So Bitcoin doesn't have to continue to go up. It doesn't. All right. And what I see right now with the crypto market is the takeover. I told you guys this before. The takeover is serious, guys. The government right now looks like it's taking over crypto. Maybe Wall Street might take over crypto. And you guys are loving it. You guys saying, man, I can't wait until Wall Street comes in. I can't wait until the government comes in, regulate this stuff. Guys, that's the worst thing you want. Bitcoin wasn't designed to have the government or Wall Street in. So most of you guys really have to wake up, because what I see happening is, you remember BitConnect, okay? I wish I could pull up that chart. I wish I could pull up BitConnect chart, okay? But it looks like, the market, let me show you a good example how it looked, okay? It was going up like this, and then next thing you know, went down. So what I think a lot of these coins are going to do that. Okay, we're gonna wake up and say, "Oh my gosh, that coin went to zero, bro." We didn't get to that stage yet, so I'm waiting. Okay, now my thing is, even though I'm telling you guys all this craziness, you guys really have to understand that this is not bad. This is not bad, guys. Why this is not bad is because you can still make money through this nonsense. Okay, that's the whole message I'm trying to promote. Even if Bitcoin goes to 100, you can still make a lot of money. Not only that, you will have skills, right? Because the same skills that you develop to short Bitcoin, these other coins, you can take those skills and go to other markets like the stock market and the forex, okay, and the commodities, and you can make more money. This is what I'm trying to let you guys understand, guys. This is not bad at all. If Bitcoin goes to $150, that's not bad at all. You know why? It's not bad because you can make a lot of money to the downside, and the skills that you develop, you can take those skills to other markets. Most of you guys are looking at this market and looking at, oh, this thing is going to last forever. What I'm trying to show you guys is forget about wish, hope, anything like that. All I want you guys to do is develop skills so you can make weekly, monthly, daily income. Okay, that's the name of the game. I don't care about nothing else. All that stuff you guys are talking about. Oh man, you hear about back? You hear about the ETFs, bro? I don't care about none of that stuff. How can I make money now? Okay, your XRP YouTuber is talking about some nonsense that's not making me money now. Okay, I believe that I got into the crypto market late, but I'm okay with that. Okay, because I know how to make money, regardless if it goes up or down. Some of you guys need to wake up. You know, it is what it is. You might unsubscribe. I don't care about you guys unsubscribing. Okay, because a guy like me that barely graduated from high school, never went to college, I can actually average 1K to 5K a day trading daily. Okay, trading the futures market. Okay, and I can take those same skills and swing trade the crypto market. So I care less of, you know, what you guys think. I'm just trying to help you guys out, bro. Stop thinking that these guys can't wipe out the crypto market. They could. Most of the guys talking about fundamentals, guys, it doesn't matter. Stock market too, the fundamentals doesn't matter. All right? There's a lot of money to be made right now. It's right in front of your face. It's up to you. 2019 is here. It's up to you, bro. It's up to you. So let me go back to these questions. Like I said, I didn't know if I wanted to talk about this today or tomorrow, but you know, I talked about it right now. Usually I go back and forth with my comments, but I had to get that off my chest because 2019 is here and it's a new year, and I want you guys to start up fresh. So let's keep on. Let's go over these questions. I know probably have a couple of questions real quick. Leonard said, "Don't buy any S&P dips." Facts, man, facts. Hey, what's going on, Swazzer? Jared said, I predict the stock market reaching new highs this year, so I don't agree with you. Agreement with me with what? I don't know exactly what you're talking about. So where all the money going? Gold, silver, and crypto? Surely. First of all, you have to understand when the stock market is crashing, the money doesn't have to go anywhere. Let me see here. Axman said, I think people will seek new ways, thus the crypto market. People will put their money in the crypto market. You said, well, basically, shout out to you, Axman. And, you know, the reason why you guys are saying that is because you hear these YouTubers, you know, talk about that, or you hear, you know, you saw it on some type of article. You know, some of you guys have to understand that's just talk, okay? Just think like, you know, like human beings, all right? Why would you go from one burning building to another burning building, and this building is actually burning much quicker and is going down much quicker? So, you know, that argument doesn't even make sense. What's going on, Paul? Happy New Year to you. G Slick said the chart never lies. Exactly. So that's why I told you guys, even though some of you guys didn't want to hear what I just said, I told you guys, hey man, listen, the chart doesn't lie. It doesn't matter if Bitcoin continues to go down, because you guys can make money from that. All right. It is what it is. What's going on, Crypto Fingers? You said, are you recommending we put into our 2000 business plan some savings for a recession? So, Crypto Fingers, you talking about? You said, do I think you should save for the recession? That's what you're trying to say? No, let me know. You said hodl some ETH because a hard fork is on next week. Yeah, I mean, if it's short-term profits, you know, understand that it's short-term. Okay, anytime that's, you know, you have hard forks or any type of news in the bear market and the market goes up, or the stock or the coin goes up, you have to understand, guys. You know, it's just a temporary bounce. Okay. These I mean, man, I mean, look at this. These charts is horrible, guys. I mean, this is not something that you want to be in right now. ETH, it's probably going up because of that. What you just said, but you know, in these type of markets, guys, of course, I'm not giving you financial advice. You have to take profits, bro. Aces said cryptocurrency is so 2008. I mean 2018. Facts, man, facts. G6 says smash the likes. Yes, smash the likes. Hit that subscribe button if you want to learn how to make money. Hit that unsubscribe if you don't want to learn how to make money. Anti-Mo said, hey bro, I want to learn. I want to help. You said, I want help on learning day trading. Will I make 750 back if I have 12? Anti-morals. I have students made the 750 back in 1 week. Okay. So all you have to do is just study. Okay. Put in that work, study. And the possibilities are endless, guys. I mean, Anthony, you have to understand that there's a lot of a lot of money, bro, right in front of your face. I told you, I average at least 1K to 5K. I have students that made they 750 back the first week they went live. Okay, not just one, multiple students. Actually, there's a couple of students that's on my live stream right now. They can tell you about it. Like I said, and Anthony, if you have my crypto course, then the 750 is good for you. But if you don't have my crypto course, this will be going back to 950 over the weekend. So it's up to you what you want to do. Okay. Yes, you must learn their game or be destroyed. Exactly, anti-morals. Okay, so Anthony, what Anthony's saying is basically you have to learn what the big dogs and the whales and the elite. You have to learn their game, guys. Most of you guys come on my channel and say things like, "No, that won't happen. It's impossible. Bitcoin going below Bitcoin going below 6,000 is impossible. The miners. You know how many people saying the miners? Bro, it doesn't matter. If the big dogs, the whales, whoever's controlling the market, if they want the market to go down, it will go down. Okay? You guys really have to understand what the big dogs and these guys, the game these guys play. If you don't, you're going to be a victim. You're always going to be a victim. You're always going to be that guy that's listening to the news and believing every word. Like I had a guy, I think, a couple like last month, told me about Goldman Sachs. And he was like, man, he was swearing up and down, man. Like, Goldman Sachs is coming in, bro. What are you talking about? I'm like, bro, just because you read an article that Goldman Sachs is coming in doesn't mean that they're coming in. Shout out to you, Aces. The entire economy, yes, the entire economy is in a bubble. You are right, right? And that's why a lot of people, you said, does the 750 covers the crypto as well? So, Anthony, this course right here comes with the crypto course. So my crypto course right now is $300. Okay. Right now, the reason why you're seeing 150 is because we're on live stream. Okay. But if you buy this course right here, this course comes with two courses. It comes with the main course, which is how to day trade the futures, and it comes with this course right here. So you get two courses in one, right? With the 750, yes, that's correct. But the 750 will go up over the weekend. But let's go back to your comment. You said the economy is in a bubble, okay? And you are 100% correct. And this is why I'm trying to tell people that Bitcoin and the crypto market, they benefit from, the whole market benefit from the whole bubble. Guys, you guys really don't understand that money, it was easy to borrow money, okay? Now it's going to get harder to borrow money. Most of you guys don't really understand that. It's going to get harder and harder to borrow money, okay? Back in those days when money was cheap, interest rates was so low, it was so easy to get money. That's why we having it, these crazy bubbles in the stock market and the crypto market. Guys, it's going to be very hard for Bitcoin to go back up the way it went up in 2017 because things are going to get harder, guys. I'm not saying that. I'm not saying this to be negative. I'm saying this because some of you guys don't know the games that these guys play. They make, guys, listen, let me explain this to you guys. Listen. When things are too easy, okay? When things are too easy, these guys recognize this stuff. And they say, "Hold up, let's press the brakes." Okay? This average Joe right here down the block is making too much money. Too much money. We got to slow things down. And what happened is, okay, when they find out people are making easy money and too much money, they put rules and regulations in place to stop you, or to stop the average Joe. Okay, it happens all over. It happens all the time. It's just not crypto. It's not just crypto. Okay. So some of you guys really have to understand the game that they playing. You know, it was easy, guys. Back in the days, it was very easy to make money. It's just what it does. What it was. Okay, very easy. It's not just the crypto market, the stock market too. Stock market was easy. It was so easy to make money in the stock market. Now it's going to get harder. It's going to get harder and harder. This is why I'm trying to tell you guys, listen, I see what's going on because I'm in this financial world. Some of you guys have to wake up and basically peep game, and not only, you know, understand the game, but you have to build skills to last through the recession or depression, whatever. You know, we might have the depression. You know, you gotta have skills that allow you to make money during this recession, guys. Right? Let me see here. Swazzer says your best investment ever. Swazzer is actually one of my day trading students, and he's been doing real well. Okay, like anybody else, you know, we have mistakes, whatever. But once you understand the system, you know that there's a lot of money to be made. Swazzer said I did it, and I'm looking forward to 2019 free from the slave system. Ben course is pure gold. I made money from it already. Anthony Merle, yes, he is correct. Okay, and I have proof. So, you know, all your haters want to talk. I have proof of all this stuff. Okay, Swazzer is definitely a guy that's making money and made money from the futures market. Okay, I have proof, screenshots. Okay, so I have no doubt in my mind that Swazzer will do real good in 2019. I saw it with my own eyes. I mean, screenshot after screenshot. Let me go back to these questions here. If the big banks is coming in it, going to increase the volatility of bear markets. Yeah, I mean, basically, you know, a lot of people are screaming for the banks, institutions, and, you know, all these crazy guys to come in. They don't understand the game. They don't understand that these big banks can really screw up the crypto market. Okay, they can bring it down, or they can actually make it slower, or they can make it go nowhere. Okay, chop around for a long time. They do it with gold. They do it with silver. They could do it with anything, guys. Anything. Anthony says, "Screw it. I'm buying it. Don't let me down. I wanted to learn about the stock market since I was young." Shout out to you, bro. Yeah. So basically, Anthony, this is about day trading the futures, okay? And you will learn how to day trade the S&P 500, the crude oil. I mean, you could day trade all different type of markets, okay? Right now, I'm concentrating on the S&P. Okay, it comes with a Discord room. You have up to 5 days because I have a deal where I go over your charts up to 5 day trading sessions. So it's a good program, bro. Very good program. And you just have to practice like anything else. Okay. I tell everybody, when you buy the course, okay, don't expect to make $1 million tomorrow. Okay. Because when you buy the course, all you're doing is basically the first, couple of weeks, you're going to go over the material, open up a demo account, trade that demo account, get used to the market, right? Like anything else. If let's say that you never played basketball, okay, and they put you in the NBA, bro, you're gonna get, bro, they're gonna run over you like crazy, bro. So that's what's going on right now, okay? And most of you guys don't realize that, like the stock market, the futures market, that's the NBA, bro. Okay, you dealing with pros. So what I'm doing is basically helping you guys understand the game, understand strategies. I'm quite sure you guys, if once you guys look at these strategies, there's no way in the world you will figure out these strategies by yourself. So I'm gonna give you strategies, understand how to make this money daily, weekly, and from there you just have to practice and get used to the information. Okay. I have some guys, like I said, some guys that are quick learners, bro. Like I'm telling you, man, like in a week or two, these guys are live making money. But you have slow learners like myself. I'm a slow learner, so it's gonna take me a little bit longer. But like I said, I tell everybody, I'm not the type of guy that going to hype things up and say, yo, bro, you're gonna make $1 million tomorrow. No, I'm not gonna say that. For what? Okay, I can tell you what I'm doing, but listen, I've been doing this for a long time. Okay, so it really doesn't matter what I'm doing. Okay, but I'm making at least 1 to 5K a day, guys. All right, but don't expect to do that tomorrow. You said, does it teach shorten? Yes. So basically, this teach shorten. Okay, because when you day trade, you have to know how to short. Okay, and this is what I've been trying to promote. Like I'm trying to get you guys to understand the whole the whole market. Okay, most of you guys are talking about HODL to zero. Like, guys, what are you talking about HODL to zero? Like, that doesn't even make any sense. So you trying to say you will lose all your hard-earned money just because you believe in something and you want to see it to go to zero? So basically what I'm trying to tell people is, forget about HODL to zero. You can make money by shorting the market. Okay? If I didn't know how to short the market, I wouldn't be able to do the day trade every single day. So yes, it teaches you how to short the market because you have to learn how to do it, because some days the market is going to be down. Like if you look at the S&P 500, okay, let's go there. If I can go there, S&P. I don't know if you go to S&P 500, we've been crashing. Okay, so you're gonna have a lot of days where the market is going down. You have to learn how to do that. Okay, now I'm here to tell you, I love red days versus green days. Okay, but I'm also here to tell you that shorting is the same thing as going long. Okay, it's not a difference. I mean, you guys, some of you guys probably think it's complicated. No, guys, it's no difference. So you have to understand that it's the same. It's the same as going long. Okay, so instead of pressing the buy button, you just press the sell button. That's it. Let's go back to these questions here. And Anthony, if you do buy it, let me know, because I have to send you the Discord room. All right, let me go back to these questions. My best, Swagger said, my best week so far, Anthony, was 1,200. Yes, I had made a few mistakes. Ben's system is amazing. We have great guys, great guys in our Discord. Amazing. Yes, it is. I love our group. Our group is amazing. So, like I said before, guys, okay, like anything else, if you're training to go to the NBA, you have to practice. Okay, so you're gonna have to practice. That's why most of these guys in the crypto market is gonna get wiped out, because they're too lazy. They don't want to learn. Okay, so when you learn, you have to practice the information. Okay, but once you practice, man, I'm telling you, there's a lot of money, bro. A lot of money, bro. What's going on, Richard? Anthony said, laugh out loud, hodl to zero. Yeah, man. I mean, I don't get that, bro. That's a poor mentality, bro. Like, why would you want to hodl to zero? I mean, bro, are you kidding me? You know, you just, I'd rather you give that money to a homeless guy, right? Or someone that needs that money. I mean, you're going to just throw away your money just because you want to say the word hodl. I mean, come on, guys. But anyway, guys, I'm about to get out of here. It's getting late. Okay. But I hope you guys are going to have a great 2019. I'm going to continue to give you guys the truth. I know my channel is probably not going to grow quick, because I'm giving you guys the truth. But, you know, it is what it is, because what I notice is the people that subscribe to my channel, even though I don't have a lot of subscribers right now, the people that subscribe to my channel, they are actually loyal and they want to win, okay? So I'd rather have a small group that want to win versus a big group that just, you know, completely, you know, that's just thinking the wrong way and want to make $1 million tomorrow. Okay, so I'd rather deal with winners. I'd rather deal with people that's realistic, that wants to practice, that want to put in that work, that want to understand the game and grow. Okay, that's what my channel is all about, because I told you guys before, what I really want you guys to do eventually is to quit your 9-to-5 and work for yourself. Okay, I can't wait, guys. I can't wait to get that email from one of my traders and say, hey man, listen, bro, I've been trading, making, you know, X amount of money. Next week I'm looking to quit my job, bro. I can't wait to, you know, get that email, because it's one of the best feelings in the world, guys, working for yourself. Anyway, guys, I told you guys later. Let me give you guys a round of applause. I hope you guys have a great night. It is nighttime over here. I know some of you guys have a different time zone, but it is nighttime over here. I hope you guys have a, you know, good night. And, you know, be careful, guys. I mean, right now, what I see with Bitcoin is consolidation, and we're going to have probably a crazy move probably next week, because the week is, all, you know, I mean, Friday is tomorrow, right? What's today? I don't know. What's today, guys? What's today? Thursday? Let me look at my phone. Yeah, today is Thursday. So tomorrow's Friday. So pretty much the week is done. I mean, I don't think over the weekend we're going to see a lot of action. So probably next week we're going to see either a crazy move to the upside or the downside. I'm thinking I think they want to go up one more time. Okay, that's what I'm looking at. I'm looking at Bitcoin going up one more time, either to test this high or try to test this high and maybe, you know, consolidate some more and go down. Okay, because I think, you know, I just, it's very hard for me to see that they don't go down and stop these guys out. Okay, I definitely see more, you know, to the downside. I mean, it's just this definitely doesn't look like a bottom at all. Okay, so I'm trying to figure out how these guys want to do it. Okay, I'm trying to think like a well. So the way I'm thinking, and like, you know, I'm thinking these guys want to probably go up one more time, maybe to these highs again, just to get people excited. It is a new year, so, and then just go right back down. Okay, just the games that these guys play, and you just have to learn them. Okay, learn the games. Let me see if I see one more question. I'm gonna get out of here. Shout out to you, Richard. Hodl to zero is a pig strategy. So the house. I hear you, bro. Hey, what's going on, Altcoin Al? Shout out to you. Is it in the range? Yeah, it's probably gonna go sideways for a long, you know, a while. I'm looking for next week for a move, since it is January, and usually, in January we do have some type of movement. So I'm definitely looking for next week to pop out of this range. Okay, so we will see. But guys, thanks again for tuning in. If you guys have any questions, you can email me. And if you guys got the course or any of my courses, email me for the Discord room. And that's about it. I told you guys later. Maybe I might do a live stream tomorrow. We'll see. Shout out to, you know, all you guys that are, you know, are in what do you call that, a different time zone. I know some of you guys are in a different time zone, and so it's probably early in the morning. Shout out to you guys too, bro. I mean, some of you guys don't even have to be up this early, but shout out to you guys. Thanks a lot for stopping by. All right, so talk to you guys later. I hope you guys have a great night, and talk to you guys later, and continue to study and improve. All right, talk to you guys later.